Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Tode from MBA in Sanjay University. Today I explain my presentation topic is real world case study analysis and evaluation of Infosys. Then my next slide is uh, overview of company Infosys. Infosys is a global leader in next generation digital service and consulting. Infosys headquartered in Bangalore at India, founded in 1981. There are 335,000 employees work at Infosys. Why Infosys choose? Because Infosys is known for its focus on innovation, digital transformation, and sustainability. Offering a rich case study for analyzing various OB concepts due to its strong emphasis on employee engagement, leadership, and ethical business practices. My next slide is connection of OB concept into Infosys company. First is definition and component of attitude at Infosys. Infosys create a work culture where learning never stop and doing the right thing in business is very important. The company focuses on keeping customer happy. Employees show this through their action, which highlight honesty, new ideas, and ensuring client are satisfied. Teamwork, leadership, and solving problem are all influenced by workplace that promote growth and working together as a team. My next slide is attitude formation and changes at Infosys. First is learning. Social learning. No employee at Infosys learn by watching senior employees who follow ethical rules and focus on keeping clients happy. Second is direct experience. Direct experience. When employees face a tough project, they develop problem solving skill and an innovative mindset through real world challenges. Third is classical conditioning. Classical conditioning Infosys encourage a positive work culture by recognizing and rewarding good performance and making employees feel good about doing their best. My next slide is job satisfaction and its determinant at Infosys. First is work itself. Work itself. Employees at Infosys work on advanced digital project that challenges their minds and give them global experience. Second is pay. Infosys offer competitive compensation and perks like health benefit and stock option. Third is promotion opportunities. Promotion opportunities say the company focuses on career growth through promotion, leadership program, and ongoing learning. Last is supervision. Supervision managers at Infosys mentor employees, creating a supportive environment that makes people happy with their job. My next slide is Herzberg two-factor theory applied to Infosys company. That is first hygiene factor. Hygiene factor include pay and job security. Job security. Infosys give employee a stable job and good pay. Second is working condition. Working condition. Infosys offers flexible work options and safe environment to take care of employees' well-being. The second is motivator. Motivator include responsibility and opportunities for growth. Infosys provide leadership roles, global opportunities, and ongoing learning through platform like Infosys Lex. My next slide is organization commitment and employee engagement. Infosys keep employees motivated by offering chances to grow, flexible work options, and a focus on being environmentally friendly and socially responsible. These things helps employees feel more connected to the company. My next slide is depth of analysis. Infosys promotes teamwork, innovation, and client focus. Employees are motivated by pay, growth opportunities, and guidance, but could benefit from more adaptable leadership and fun rewards. Idea sharing across regions could further strengthen the culture. My next slide is use of industries example. definition and component attitude. In a company like Infosys, employees feel valued, effective component, and recognize that their contribution directly impact Infosys global IT solution and consulting services. As a result, they strive to exceed client expectation and innovate in their roles. Infosys foster positive attitude through extensive training program, flexible work arrangement, and opportunities for global exposure, a culture of continuous learning and employee well-being. My next slide is attitude formation and changes. Infosys example. A consultant at Infosys who believes in being honest with clients might feel uncomfortable if asked to hide information to get a business advantage. This could cause internal conflict where the employee must decide whether to justify the action as part of the job or to speak up and push for more honesty within the team to solve the issue. My next slide is job satisfaction and its determinant. At Infosys, keeping employee happy with their job is very important for keeping their motivated. The company offer constant learning, recognition for good work, and chances to work on a global project. Employees can work with the team from around the world and help develop new technologies like Zopos. Infosys know that job satisfaction is important for the success of the company. My next slide is organizational commitment and employee engagement. In Infosys, promotes employee engagement and through initiatives like continuous learning platform, flexible work arrangement, and a strong emphasis on innovation. Infosys foster a culture of continuous learning, offering internal certificate course. Moreover, the company's corporate social responsibility initiative help employees feel a sense of pride and loyalty, leading to higher effective commitment. This effort align with the job demand resources model, balancing high job demand with adequate resource to enhance employee engagement and organizational commitment. My next slide is conclusion. uh, Infosys, a global leader in IT services, can improve its work practice by encouraging more creativity and new idea in different areas. By using flexible leadership style, Infosys can make its leaders more adaptable and responsive. Using AI tool for teamwork across the world and adding fun game like reward system can help make the workplace more existing and inclusive and competitive. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.